Well, I don't know about you, but often I will skip the appendix of a book. I don't know if that's good or bad, but it just is what a lot of readers do. But in this case, I think the appendix of Wonder is worth reading. They are filled with precepts, Mr. Brown's precepts that were in the story. September's. When given the choice between right or being right or being kind, choose kind. Dr. Wayne W. Dyer. That's a great one. October. Your deeds are your monuments. That was an inscription on an Egyptian tomb. I like that one because that's my birth month. November was have no friends not equal to yourself. Interesting. December, audentes fortuna juvat. Fortune favors the bold. I don't know if my Latin is correct there, but I like that. Fortune favors the bold by Virgil. January, no man is an island entire of itself. John Donne, English poet. February, it is better to know some of the questions than all of the answers. Thurber. March, kind words do not cost much, yet they accomplish much. By Pascal. April, what is beautiful is good, and who is good will soon be beautiful. By Sappho. That is so true. Have you ever noticed that someone gets more and more beautiful in your eyes the more you realize how kind they are? May, do all the good you can, by all the means you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, at all the times you can, to all the people you can, as long as you ever can. Oh, that's great. I love that. June, just follow the day and reach for the sun. Postcard precepts. Charlotte Cody's precept. It's not enough to be friendly, you have to be a friend. Kingsley's save the oceans, save the world. Tristan said, if you really want something in this life, you have to work for it. Now, quiet. They're about to announce the lottery numbers. That's pretty funny. Savano's was, flowers are great, but love is better. Justin Bieber. Joplin, don't be friends with jerks. Sometimes a jerk needs a friend. Maya wrote, all you need is love. The Beatles. Amos said, don't try too hard to be cool. It always shows, and that's uncool. Zemia said, to thine own self be true. Shakespeare. Julian wrote, sometimes it's good to start over. And Summer wrote, if you can get through middle school without hurting anyone's feelings, that's really cool beans. That's true. And Jack wrote, keep calm and carry on. August wrote, everyone in the world should get a standing ovation at least once in their life because we all overcometh the world. Very nice. I encourage you to read the acknowledgments and other parts of the book that you usually don't read. There is the author. Thank you so much for this wonderful book. And for next time, we'll start a new book.